Namaste. I am Dr. Anjali Trivedi, Senior Scientist at the Birbasahan Institute of Paleosciences, Lucknow. Throughout my career as a paleontologist, I have dedicated myself to unraveling the intricate relationship between climate, vegetation, and human civilization. My expertise in analyzing pollen, phytolith, and diatoms has led to significant breakthroughs in understanding culture-climate relationship. Recently, I published groundbreaking research in the prestigious journal Catina, where we discovered how climate driven vegetation changes profoundly influence the rise and fall of ancient Indian dynasties over the past 2000 years. In my laboratory, I work with these fascinating pollen grains. Each grain is a male gametophyte that serves as a time capsule, preserving crucial information about our past. Through advanced microscopic analysis, we can decode the environmental conditions that existed thousands of years ago. We employed an innovative combination of techniques, extracted and analyzed sediment cores from Varanasi, Central Ganga Plain, India, conducted detailed pollen analysis using advanced microscopy, utilized the Earth System Paleoclimate Simulation Model, combined multiple analytical approaches to reconstruct historical Indian summer monsoon patterns. Our team identified a critical gap in understanding the climate history of the Central Ganga Plain, a region vital to India's agricultural heritage. Using innovative methods, we have reconstructed the Indian summer monsoon patterns over 2 millennia, revealing how recurrent climatic changes or RCCs influence the course of Indian history. Our research revealed fascinating correlations between climate cycles and historical events. We identified distinct warm and cold episodes, including the Roman warm period, Dark Ages cold period, medieval warm period, and Little Ice Ages. These climatic variation patterns significantly impacted vegetation patterns. We discovered direct links between these environmental changes and the rise and fall of major dynasties like the Guptas, Gurjar Pratihara, and Cholas. Our findings demonstrate how climate fluctuations influenced agricultural productivity, which was the primary revenue source for these ancient empires. This research is not just about the past, as India continues to be an agrarian nation. Understanding these historical patterns is crucial for predicting and preparing for future climate impacts, developing resilient agricultural strategies, ensuring food security and economic stability, helping policymakers make informed decisions about climate adaptation. These are some glimpses of research work published in national news like Press Information Bureau, Government of India, and National Electronic Media Doordarshan. Through this research, supported by the Ministry of Science and Technology, we have demonstrated that climate has been a silent architect of Indian history. As we face modern climatic challenges, these insights become increasingly valuable for shaping our response to environmental changes. Thank you for your attention. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.